Hi, Keith and Vivian.
Hi.
It's nice to meet you both. Thank you for joining us in the Dash Kitchen today. So, Keith, I understand you're going to show us how to cook a microwave dinner. All right, will you show us? You go right ahead. So you've taken it out of the box.
Yeah.
What are you going to do next?
And open this up.
Okay. Okay, so you open it up just to let it vent, but you leave it on the top.
Yeah.
Great. Okay. Three minutes, okay. Great, well, we're waiting for your dinner, Keith. Is there anything that you want to tell the people at Dash about using the microwave?
What is in the microwave? Or put a dinner inside for 3 minutes.
You're gonna put the dinner inside for 3 minutes, okay?
And then it has to be done. And then open the door.
Okay, when it's done, you're gonna open the door
Yeah, and then put it on the counter.
and put it on the counter. Okay, do you need a towel or something to, or oven mitts maybe, to take the food out of the microwave and put it on the counter?
I use hands.
You use your hands and it's not too hot for your hands.
No.
Great, okay, well, thank you. So it's starting to really smell good, Keith. What flavor is this dinner?
It's called chicken with in wine sauce.
Oh, it smells really good. And that's your favorite one?
Yeah.
Great.
We'll go over here. Open door.
So the microwave beeped.
Let me be
Okay.
chicken food out
All right, it's
like this.
okay.
And put on the counter. Close the door. And grab a fork and knife. Move the box. Take the bucket out. Grab a fork and good taste.
Well, looks delicious.
Just like this.
Is it good? Thanks for sharing that with us, Keith.